Shubor Nagashlam Jong Unongsan Hima.
Sembut Menteri Rang Ba Kejelang Ba Preston Tensong Ulaong. Banakaliang ke Sorkar kala kintu yu Deputy Commissioner ke District ban khot penlong yang ke Jingelang. Namarkum balatip ba ke Jaka Halom Survey ke hap hapo ke Jimpet Jong ke Cantonment badru katanat Defense Estate Officer Henry ke ke bagi dikhot ke HYC kila lej ha ke arpulai trik jemang arajara arpusau ban lead bat penprai ki yeng ki sem ha ke tu ke Jaka ke dei bakila lej klem ke jing ya kren yakini ba Preston ulapun sngo ha ba ya kren bat kila pathai khubor barulo ong bakum ke Sorkar ke sngo tho ya ke jing sngo jong ki pat ba Henry ban pen sngo palat ya kita ki de kalenti ban pen pra ya ki yeng ki sem kalong ke bemya ha namar ka an ka don barulo ong ru ba ke Sorkar kanam kershan ha ka ban ai Jaka sa ya kini ki breu balada ki dei ki bashu sa be an kaan kan trehi yala ka jong ka kamram shishoba Preston ula pentip ru bakani ka mat kadang don menta hapo ki yeng kasari ban pendep ki jing don kam ha ka ban bishar badula kinturu ki pat ba ne ki seng bakinam Shim ya ka an hala ki kiti namar bakan sami shibon ki jing bembet bar ki Jingbym sungot ho bat ke Sorkar kandang tre ya ka kam ban penshisha laki bre ki basyong basa halom survey ki dei ki nong India ne em ya kata amla ban ong Henry ya kani an la ban tip la shai ka sngi hadin ka jing penbana pat ba ne ka hearing jong ka yeng kasari bat an sala ban ya shakman ya ki kam la benrap ubat tengsong.
I asked the Deputy Commissioner to again call a meeting, the joint meeting, because you knew it well, that place falls under the defense cantonment area, and the appropriate authority also falls under the defense estate officer. Okay. Then what happened was that day, it seems the members of the HYC, they went even without consulting. Well, we understand the sentiments of our young people, no doubt about it. They have so much sentiment. In a way, they thought that demolition is such a simple issue where you just go through and then dismantle, that's it. But let me tell you one thing: the law is there, the regulation is always there. We are also not in favor of sheltering them. If they are all illegal settlers, the law will take its own course. So what happened was, in fact, at that point of time when these members of HYC went over there, a cross violation happened. Why I'm saying that? Because this particular issue, it is still lying with the High Court, Honorable High Court, and tomorrow Honorable High Court happens to to go to the second hearing of this particular issue for dismantling, eviction and dismantling of the illegal structures, whatever available over there. So therefore, I would request to all concerned, don't take the law into your own hands, because ultimately you will have a lot of complication. As I said to you, does not mean that the government just sleeping over it. We wanted to do it, and we wanted to verify whether these people, they belong from India or maybe they are not. That still we can't say much about it, because the certification and verification is still on. So I think let us see. As I said to you, because tomorrow the hearing will take place, and maybe after that you will see exactly what is the next steps to be taken by not only by the state government but also by the central government under the leadership of the defense estate officer.
Are you seeking any report from district administration?
Yes, I do. Otherwise, can I reply to you? Okay.
So apart from this loan survey, what we're seeing?
Start, or I don't know. I've asked the Deputy Commissioner to call a meeting, be it demolition, eviction, or even when you go all out against the drugs addicts, because he mostly, when the members of society or whoever, when they go and get those addicts, it's different from when you go from the for those people who supply. Because from the government, we are more concerned, in fact, about this supplier, because these are the people who ruin, who spoil the life of those simple people, be it young girls, be it young boys, or be it old also. Now they are addicted to drugs. So the government does not sleep, and now we have already even initiated with that dream, the mission. We took it as a mission mode, fighting against the drugs. So now this mission also is on, and I'm very sure we'll be able to further strengthen this mission in the near future.